March 2nd, 2024. Ozzy James in training for fetching and retrieving. I ordered him some new balls. Bring your puff ball. Good boy. Here he comes. Here he comes. And he drops it. Yes, good boy. Again. Again. Go get it. Good boy. Good boy. Yep, bring it back. Bring it back. And he brings it back and he drops it. Good boy. Oh dear. Oh dear. Yes, Ozzy James, the Fetchin' Retrievin' Cat. There's his puff ball. Go get it. Whoop. No, I can't stand up and get the shot. I have to sit constantly. Yes. Not true. Ready? You ready? It's puff ball. It's your puff ball. Get it. Oh. Ricochet. 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 One more and then we're stopping the camera. There you go. Good boy. Good boy, Ozzy. Yep. When you gonna start putting on some poundage, huh?